show you how to play Johnny Angel, as sung by Shelley Fabares. If you want the letter notes for that, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's take the introduction because it kind of sets us up for the melody. We're in the key of C, and we start off on a G. There's just a single tone G that starts it out, and then we have Johnny Angel, Johnny Angel, Johnny Angel, John. So we start with an E, and then drop to a C, to an A, to an F. So it'll be E, G, D, C, C, B, C, E, B, A, A, C, G, F, F, A, E, E, D. So we basically got it, we go up and up one note above the chord. So we've got a C chord with the C on top, but we put that little non-harmonic D in there, and then we drop down and do it again. Now we've got an A minor chord with the A on top, and then a little second B comes in, and then we drop down to the F chord. We do the same thing with the G, A, C, G, F, and then down to the D minor, F, A, E, D. So you basically got C chord, A chord, F chord, D minor chord. And we get an angel, and then we come in with the bass with E, D, G. Then we come up to an open fifth to a D, C, G, C, G. So, and then they go Johnny, 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 Johnny. So we've got an E to G right there. So we've got, that's your rhythm there, C, E, G. So to get without the left hand, you're going to go. That's all you've got to do there, and then put the left hand in there, C, G, C, G. So it comes in awkward there because the C and then the G, and then the C comes in with the chord, and then the G comes in on the last part of the chord. Go slow, let it go. And then we go right on into the melody. So that introduction up, without me talking, it'll sound like this. Now one thing that helps is to emphasize the low note. That'll help on those little backup singers singing Johnny Angel through that part. Now, so once you get past that, then the melody kicks in with G, G, D, D, C. Does it twice. G, G, E, D, E, D, E, D, A. A, A, E, D, E, D, E, D, A, C, B, D, G. Now there we're going to fill out the chord G, E and G, then to an A minor chord. Now you don't have to play the C again, you can play E and G. So it'll be an E and a G, back and forth. And all we're going to do in the left hand right there, C, A minor, C, A minor. Now let's put the left hand with it. C, G, A, E, F, C, D. So it's the same chord progression. C chord, A minor chord, F chord, D minor chord, back to the F, D, G, C. So it's going to go a basic chord progression, D, G7, C. But all we're going to play there is a single note bass, D, G, C, and then it goes back and forth between C and A minor. So let me go through that slowly so you can see it. And then we do it again. With the second verse, you come right back in with the same thing. Now that time it changes because they change from the... This time it goes... And then we have a little concluding, a little cadence there. So we go. So E, G, D, C, and then we're into the bridge chorus. So we've got right there G, A, B flat, G. We've got a G minor chord. Back to the C, to the F chord, A minor chord, it's actually an A minor 7, to a D chord, D major, now the D major 7, D, F sharp, A, C. So we're just going to play the A and the C because we've got the F sharp in the treble there. So let me go through it slowly so that you can see it. G. Now we're going to the C chord, and we're going to add a G and a B flat there to make it a 7th. See, here's your C7, C, E, G, B flat, 1, 3, 5, 7. So we've got the E here, and we'll play the G and the B flat in the bass. They put harmony on that. They put harmony on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go D, E, C, and then I'm going to play A and C and add the E right there. And in the left hand, we're just going to play the chord. Now, if you want to just play the melody, you can. Or you can add 2 harmony notes. What I like to do is this. Just adds a little richness to it. Now here we're going to have an A minor 7, A, C, E, G, but all we're going to play is the E and the G. And then we're going to have a D7. See, the D7 is D, F sharp, A, C. So I'm going to play the D and the A and the C, and the F sharp is in the melody. And then we have this little play. So it's just good. You got to make it sound playful. She sings, but I just sit and wait. I'd rather concentrate. I just sit and wait. I'd rather concentrate on Johnny Angel. And then the backup singers sing that Johnny Angel. So they go. We have the same basin. So we add a little backup singers there, and you don't have to if you don't want to, if it makes it too tough, because your hand has to jump around. So let me play that together there from the bridge chorus. This time I go G, D, G, and then we make it a 7th with a D, F. See, there's your G7, it's G, B, D, F. See, I've got the D and the F down here. Let me go go slowly so you can see. There's your G7. And if you want to, you can slow down right there. Won't hurt. Then we go to the chord, and back to this, and then we go right through the bridge chorus again. And you got triplets in there. See, you've got triplet. Triplet again here. And then the playful. And then we're going to do that one more time. We're going to do that backup singers on our bridge chorus tag right there. You're going to do it once again there. So you basically play the bridge chorus through twice, and then you do a review and tag, a third verse review in the tag right there. So let's get into the second time through the bridge chorus. So now we're going into the tag, and we go there. Hold that back just slightly, and then now let me show you what I did right there. Let's see. Once you get to that D minor, here comes the tag. Now hold that D back just a little bit to resolve to the. See what you've got? You got a D7, a G7 sound there. And then we go to the C. And then we just play this twice. Then we go to the F. And then to the G. So this is the sequence in the right hand. E, G, D, D, C, E, G, D, D, C, F, A, E, E, D, B, 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 C, D, and just sustain that, build a little tension by holding it back. And then what I'm going to play in the left hand is a C major 7th sound. But I'm going to go C, E, G, B, C, E, G, B, D, and that turns it into a C 9th. A C major 7th with a 9th on there. And then I'll roll that E, G, B, D. So basically we've got this sound, we've got... That's the sound we've got, but I'm getting off of this B and going to the C so that every note has a finger, every finger has one note there. Hold it, and then roll the right hand if you want to. You don't have to. You can just hold it and end it right there. Now let me play that right there at the end so that you can see the ending. And I'll go slowly. There you have it. Johnny Angel is sung by Shelley Fabares. Hope you enjoy playing it.